Right, okay, so I'm investigating the noise. This was just literally a passing check as to what noise we were getting at the weekend. This is an absolute miracle. This has made it all that way and back with all of us in it. Because if I rock it, the diff and the, I don't know whether you'll see it because of the steadiness of the camera, but the prop shaft and the diff is not supposed to move like that. It's supposed to be solid. Okay, and if we come round here, get ourselves underneath, I don't know whether you'll see it. Let's get the light, 1 second. Get the light in there, park side, bang it. Right, if I hold that up there, right, you see that's the handbrake cable there, and the bracket that's welded to the diff in order to hold it onto the spring flat has completely corroded away. So every time we were accelerating, going up hills, under torque, anything like that, the whole diff, the whole axle, sorry, was moving. So that's what the noise was. Not good. Unfortunately, Maggie is no longer drivable. Right then, it's all cleaned back as best as we can get it for now. I'm going to do the welding part, and then I'll get one of these flapper discs, one of these bad boys on the angle grinder, which makes it come up like that. You can just see it in the camera here. So it'll smooth it all off, get rid of the bits of patches of dust before we paint it. But I'm at the point where I need to weld the replacement part. This bit here is the culprit for me taking all of this thing off in the first place. So I'm going to cut it off now, get that cleaned off, and then get the new one spot welded on, and I'll take you through the process. So how am I going to know where it's got to go back on? So what I've got to do here is just put a mark there and a mark there, and then I can line up the new bracket with those two marks, all being well. Okay, here we go. So I've got my lad helping me today. Say hello, Brian.
Hello.
Hello, there we go. So he's helping me today do this job, aren't you, mate? So now we've got that main bit away, now we need to grind that down so it's flush, and then we can get the new one welded on. Right, so it's all cleaned off now. This is in place. I've used a highly technical method of the spirit level, making sure that this side, as in the good side, is level, and then matching that with this side. I already know where it's got to go in relation to this way, as I've left the line slightly proud so I can see where the old one was. So I'm not too worried about getting that right, it's just the level right. So, weldy weldy. Right, that's it welded up now. My welds won't win any prizes for beauty, but they're strong, and that's all that really matters. So now we'll just let that cool down a bit. I'll dress it up slightly with the angle grinder, and then we'll get it painted.
I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and seeing Liam rectify that issue we found following our Peaks journey. Bit of a shocking discovery, I think, but it's all sorted now and he can get back on the road, and Maggie can start joining us on some more road trips. At the end of the month we're going to the Practical Car and Classic show, which should be really fun. We'll be going there, getting some footage, posting it up for you guys so you can virtually join us there. And in the meantime we'll probably get a couple more videos up before we go and do that. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the video if you do like it and you like our content, and we'll catch you in the next one.